Guys, welcome to Quick Range. This is Roshan. Okay, so today's topic is CSS. Okay, the last session we saw what's meant by XPath and what are the types of XPath. So today we'll be seeing what's meant by the CSS and how this is used in Selenium as a locator. Okay, so comparing to XPath and CSS, and CSS is lightweight and the syntax look very user friendly, and comparing to XPath you will be feeling much easy the usage of the CSS. Okay, and also the execution time for those locators comparing with the CSS and XPath, CSS has a good enough result. Okay, so I hope using of the XPath and CSS, CSS gets much priority. Okay, all right. So CSS is nothing but a cascading style sheet. It is used in all the websites. Okay, how to the styles need to be look. Okay, so this how this is the tab which you could see a lot of styles will be specified here. Okay, right. By using this CSS, we can locate the elements, and we have I think five types. I will be showing how to find the CSS by using the 5 ways. Okay, right. The first way is by using the tag name plus ID, and the second is tag name plus class name. Okay, next is tag name plus attribute, tag name, fourth one is tag name plus class plus attribute. The last one is tag name plus starts with, ends with, contains. Okay, so these are the 5 things we are going to see in this tutorial, right? So first let me go to this website. Okay, so I'm going to take example of selecting this. They're going to do some operation in this drop down. Okay, so the first one is by using the tag name and ID. I'm going to use it. Let me show you how we can get the syntax, how we can write this locator for by using the CSS. Okay, so here the tag name is select, right? So I'm going to copy this tag name, just put Ctrl F. Okay, and just paste it. Okay, this is a tag name, and I have the ID as cat. Okay, so copy it. Just I need to give hash Ctrl V. That's it. So the syntax for this is tag name hash ID. So tag name here it is select, and the ID value is the cat. So I'm just need to give select hash cat. Okay, so hope this looks pretty much straightforward. Okay, no need to worry on like XPath you write / select at ID is equal to cat blah blah. You don't need to give everything. Okay, just give that tag name and ID, it's enough, right? So next one is we'll see how to use this for tag name plus for class name. So this is a syntax for class. Okay, so here the class name is post form. Okay, so I can give select dot post form. Okay, so here you can see the one match. Okay, so I can take this, copy this, and I can go to this Eclipse, and I can write driver dot find element by dot CSS, just paste it, and I can do any operations I want. Okay, so it's up to you. You can just work and see. Okay, right. So this is a second form. Okay, how to use tag name and class name. Okay, the next one is how to use the tag name and attribute. Okay, so well, the first two things we saw, ID and class. So in CSS we have one more feature, not only we can go with only with ID or class, we can go with any of the attribute. Okay, it can be anything, it can be type, value, anything, it can be any sections, a form, anything. Okay, so here I am going with the name, okay, which is not we have not used in upper two ways, ID or class. So now I'm going to use this in a class. Okay, I mean in a name. So what I can do is I can have this tag name and open bracket, just give name is equal to cat. That's it. Here the name is a cat, so I can give just select name equal to cat. So the syntax here it is tag name open bracket, square bracket, just give any attribute which you want. Okay, attribute is equal to value. Okay, so this helps you to find the values by using the tag and attribute. Okay, so next one is let's see by using the combination of tag, class and other attributes. Okay, so here I'm going to write again the select dot post form, so which is I am returned by using the tag name and class name. So here assume as here I have one of one match only. Okay, you just assume as you have 5 elements in the same name, same class name, so one of 5 will be specified here. So I want to select so particular element, for example second or third element. Okay, so I want to shrink this search, so I can use the unique values which are present in the other elements. Okay, I mean in the other select class post form. Okay, in the other class tag name which has the class value as a post form. So here what I can do is I can use this attribute open bracket. Okay, name is equal to cat. So here I can give here I am having just one of one. If you have a practice in your any of the application, you can see you can use this kind of things by using the class name, and also you can use other attributes, and also even I can give here one more attribute, ID is equal to cat. Okay, so like this you can shrink the content of this. Okay, I mean you can shrink and you can get the particular element of it. Okay, so the last one is we can see the tag name by using starts. Okay, how to by using the starts, ends and contains. So I think this looks like in your which you saw in XPaths. Okay, so in the same way it will be having. Okay, what we can do here is we can have here starts with, so you can use your select. Okay, I can write like this open bracket, so I can go with the name which should start, so cap symbol is equal to C. Close this. Okay, see now I just specifying the name which should start as a C. Okay, it's just a thing which we can have just a C. Okay, so next is in the same way we can have like ending. Okay, I can have like this end. For end I can have this, and cat, for cat we have T as the end, so I can have as a T. Okay, so that I can specify like this. Okay, and if I want to get the contains, I can have like this contains. So this star specify the contains CAT which has the T in it, right? Okay, so these are the different ways used to find our CSS. Okay, these are the 5 ways. Hope you can use, and if you have any doubts or anything, please let me give your comments, and I will try to resolve it. Okay, hope we can meet in the next session. Okay, thank you, bye.